Bonjour. Donc, la question importante est pourquoi est-ce que c'est important de voter en 2020? Premièrement, il faut voter pour faire une différence. So, it's necessary to vote to make a difference. Il faut respecter la démocratie. We must respect our democracy because we're so lucky to live in one. So, c'est la démocratie, democracy. You can add that to your vocab list. It would be a good idea. On a de la chance en Irlande de vivre dans un pays démocratique. So we're so lucky in Ireland to live in a democratic country. So avoir de la chance, to be lucky. On a de la chance d'avoir le droit de vote. So we're lucky to have the right to vote. And we are really lucky and we forget that, we take it for granted because there's lots of other countries that don't have that. Il y a tellement de pays où on n'a pas le droit de vote et on doit vivre sous la dictature. So there's so many countries where they don't have the right to vote and they must live under a dictatorship. So la dictature would be a nice other word to add to your vocab list. It's dictatorship. On a l'occasion de vraiment faire une différence avec son vote. One has the opportunity to really make a difference with one's vote. So l'occasion means the opportunity. Chaque vote est important. Every vote is important. Tous les votes comptent. Every vote counts. And compte comes from the verb compter, C-O-M-P-T-E-R. So it's a regular ER verb, so to count. And it is true, every single vote counts, even though you might think, well, mine is only one out of a couple of million. Every single vote counts. Chaque vote fait une différence. Every vote makes a difference. Cela nous donne le pouvoir de créer le changement. It gives us the power to create change. And we're always complaining about the current government or politicians we don't like, and we forget that with our vote we can make change. That's the power lies with us. Si on n'est pas du tout content avec le gouvernement actuel, il faut aller voter dans les prochaines élections législatives. So if we're not at all happy with the current government, le gouvernement actuel is current government, il faut aller voter dans les prochaines élections législatives. We must go and vote in the next general elections. So les élections législatives are the general elections. Utiliser son droit de vote est un moyen d'exercer sa citoyenneté. So to use your right to vote is a way of using your citizenship, exercising your citizenship, putting it into use. Il ne faut pas se plaindre du gouvernement si on ne vote pas. Don't complain about the government if you don't vote. So se plaindre d'eux is to complain about something. La politique et les élections concernent chaque citoyen, des enfants aux personnes âgées. So politics and the elections concern every citizen, from children to adults to elderly people, because every decision the government makes affects us all. Quand on vote, on a le pouvoir de contribuer à l'avenir de notre pays. When we vote, we have the power to contribute to the future of our country. C'est notre devoir démocratique, it's our democratic duty. It's another nice short sentence. C'est le meilleur moyen d'exprimer son opinion sur l'avenir politique de son pays. It's the best way to express our opinion on the political future of our country. Avoir le droit de vote, c'est un réel privilège. So to have the right to vote is a real privilege. Il est essentiel que tout le monde exerce son droit de vote. It's essential that everyone uses their right to vote. Pour changer les choses, il faut voter. So to change things, we must vote. Le taux de participation chez les jeunes adultes augmente récemment. The level of participation among young adults is increasing recently, and that is true. I think more and more young people are voting. Les jeunes s'intéressent plus aux élections grâce aux réseaux sociaux. Young people are more interested in the elections thanks to social networks, and I think that's so true. Social media is really encouraging young people to go out and vote, and it's explaining it to them in an easier way, and that's a good positive thing. Ils sont plus éduqués sur la politique et ils s'inquiètent plus sur la direction de notre pays à l'avenir. They are more educated on politics and they're more worried about the direction of our country in the future. La politique est l'avenir de la jeunesse. The politics is the future of the young people, of youth. Certains disent que ça ne sert à rien de voter, mais chaque vote fait une différence. So some say that it serves no use, that it's useless to vote, but every vote makes a difference. Les gens ont marre des politiciens corrompus, so people are fed up with corrupt politicians. Donc ils ont le pouvoir de changer ce système dans les prochaines élections. So they have the power to change this system, this corrupt system, in the next elections. So if you're fed up with the corrupt system, go out and vote and change it. La présence des jeunes aux élections montre au prochain gouvernement qu'on est à l'écoute et qu'on observe attentivement. So the presence of young people in the elections shows the next government that we're listening and that we're attentively observing them and that we're watching them. And that might make them act a bit better and actually work hard for us. I hope this helps. Merci et bonne soirée.